Let's continue chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum. Today we are going to start disadvantages of fossil fuels. The first disadvantage of fossil fuel is global warming. You know very well that coal and petroleum are made up of carbon compounds. So on burning of coal and petroleum, the carbon combines with the oxygen to form the carbon dioxide, and there is increase in the level of carbon dioxide due to excessive burning of fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. Gases like CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and other gases in the atmosphere trap heat of the sun and keep the earth warm. So, as a result, the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. Now, it has some disastrous effect on the earth. Like, the global warming has resulted in the melting of glaciers, and also there is a drastic change in the weather. Next disadvantage is acid rain. Coal is the main fuel being used in factories. On combustion of coal, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur are released into the atmosphere. These gases react with water vapor present in the atmosphere and form sulfuric acid and nitric acids. Then these acids mix with rainwater and make it acidic. This is called acid rain. Acid rain is very harmful for the soil, for the buildings and monuments, for the living beings, etc. Next disadvantage is partial combustion of coal and petroleum fuels. When the coal and petroleum fuels burn in the less supply of oxygen, then they start producing a very poisonous gas, that is carbon monoxide. This is the reason one is told not to stay in a closed room where the coal is burning, because when the carbon monoxide is inhaled, then it combines with the hemoglobin of the blood and can even cause death of a person. Next topic is conservation of natural resources. Conservation means saving and using the resources very carefully without any wastage. You know very well that non-renewable natural resources are present in a limited quantity in nature and can be exhausted by excessive human consumption. So we need to conserve these natural resources, because once they are used up, they will never form again in the near future. So we should conserve fossil fuels in order to make them last long and to reduce pollution. Let us know some fuel saving tips. PCRA, that is the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, has given some fuel saving tips. First is always drive at a moderate and constant speed. The second is while waiting at the traffic signals or anywhere else, switch the engine off. Next is keep the tire pressure of your vehicles perfect and maintain your vehicle in good condition. Next, we should use carpool or share rides as much as possible, or simply use public transport. Next, We can get the vehicles serviced regularly so that the engine is in good state. We should also use air conditioners in our vehicles only when necessary. So these are the steps to minimize the use of these resources. I hope all the topics are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.